Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. So today's video is about how to make a playlist on Spotify. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First, open your Spotify app. Now tap on your library option given at the bottom bar and then select this plus icon given at top right corner of your screen. Select playlist, set a name for your playlist and then tap on create. Now to add songs in your playlist, now you can either play random songs and then tap on the three dash option given at top right corner of your screen and tap on add to playlist. Now that song is added in your playlist. You can continually add random songs in your playlist, or you can go to search and type the song you want, play that song, and then again tap on the three dots and tap on add to playlist. Select your playlist and the song is added. Also, you can directly tap on the three dots given with the song name and then tap on add to playlist. Select the name and it's done. You can keep adding your favorite songs in your playlist. So everyone, this is how you make a playlist on Spotify. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.